It's a very comfortable touring car. It's a great back road carver. And of course, it's a very, very potent track weapon for those that want to maximize the performance.
The Z51 Performance Package is required for track events and competitive driving. Consult the track prep guide for more in-depth info, but here's an overview. First things first.
Check fluid levels, of course, that's basic with any track preparation. We ask you to add 2 quarts of transmission fluid for some extra robustness and track durability.
It is not required to remove the additional 2 litres of dual clutch transmission fluid. Any transmission level set or change should be performed at your dealer, and the transmission fluid and external filter should be changed after every 24 hours of track usage.
After that, we ask that you change the brake fluid to a high temperature, high boiling point brake fluid, 310 degrees C boiling point or higher.
There is a brake fade warning assist system in place to help ensure safe driving conditions while track driving. Messages may appear advising to reduce braking to avoid overheating or to have your brakes serviced. Follow all advice. New brake pads must be burnished before racing or other competitive driving. The 2 brake burnishing procedure options are spelled out in detail in your owner's manual and in the track prep guide.